Before I came into Review, I was working in the pharmaceutical industry. No, for 15 years I have been really working so hard, and one day I got sick. It was in 2019 that I was diagnosed with colon cancer. Okay, so I had 7 organs removed. That is true. I have encountered 4 major surgeries. Pero buhay pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Guys, please bear with my Tagalog, ha? It's so matigas. But I will be trying to talk to you in my own little way. And you know how I came into Rebay. After my 4 surgeries, someone called me, and introduced the product to me. And it was a friend, a long-lost friend. And that time, I wasn't able to, I cannot afford really to buy the 1 bottle. That time, Pure Tear was only 20,880. And naawa siya. And she gave me a 10 capsules. We call it in the team as the Magic 10. That 10 capsules made wonders during the 3 days taking Pure Tear. And of course, I was bankrupt that time because we sold our house just to pay for the hospitalization bills. And it wasn't enough, but we looked for a way, especially my husband and my kids, looked for a way to buy the 1 whole set therapy, the 6-month therapy. 4 months after taking the product, my doctor declared I am a cancer-free patient.
Wow.
So what happened? Since I have to take Pure Tear every single day, and to tell you honestly, if we will buy the 2nd set, my husband cannot afford already. Because it's expensive, right? Yes. So what happened? I thought for a discarte. Because I was already cancer-free for 4 months after. And I told myself, on the next 2 months, Pure Tear will be gone and it will be consumed, for my entire therapy. So I do not like to miss taking the product. Since I'm a cancer patient, and even if the doctor will tell us, you are already cancer-free, you will be forever a cancer patient. I knew that. And so I tried looking for a discarte on how to continue taking it and how to sustain taking it. So little did I know, through my story, while I was sharing it to everyone, little did I know that I was already heading to being a 1-star. Wow. It was 2019 of August. I was enrolled in the system as Diamond 1-star.
Wow.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, I do not know what Rebay is. I do not know what is the marketing side of this business, of this platform before. I even do not care to know it. Why? Because I just wanted to take the product for free, and I just wanted to sustain it for my health, just to regain back thoroughly my health. That was just the ultimate goal. Lo and behold, I was able to get free products. And it took me a year or 2 to embrace what is Rebay all about. Going back, 2019, I was enrolled August, and October of 2019, I was recognized here in Manila. That was LRN. I was recognized as Diamond 1 Star. And still, I was on stage, but I really don't know about three-way. That is really the truth of my story. Kasi, wala eh. I don't care. I don't care. I just wanna take the product. Yun lang. And after that, I was just observing, no? My humble beginning in Riway is like, after the LRN, I was sent to OPPs and events before the pandemic came. I was just observant on how to run, on how to take care of this business. And I saw that people like you, I was once like you, sitting at the back. I was just observing that time on how to do the OPP and all. And my story was always used, or shall I say, I was always one of the sharers, no? On the health side. And sabi ko, I was inspiring people. People were, especially those people who were hopeless, were able to buy the therapy because of my testimony. And sabi ko, hanggang doon na lang ba? And some leaders that time, I remember, told me, you need to rank up. And I said, what's all about rank up? And kasi sabi, kasi magaling yung story mo, maganda yung story mo. And you just have to move forward. So then, that was pandemic days, 2021. From being a 1 star, I was able to hit Diamond 3 star. I don't know how I did the 3 star, but I know I was just sharing all the way my story, non-stop. And 2021, Cagayan de Oro has no office. And Cagayan de Oro has less of elites that time. Cagayan de Oro is a city where pure tier is not yet well known that time. So, since I was already doing my OPP on my own, and I was 1 star at the time, my team, because I had already a growing team that time, no? slowly. Well, we planned that someone from the group will fight for a Team Elite Pavo. Too good to be true, no? Na mag-fight ako ng Team Elite Pavo. And with my condition, for everyone in the house, I am still a PWD. Why? Kasi andito pa rin, meron pa rin akong colostomy bag. So, I still poop here, but I am a cancer-free patient. Don't you worry. Hindi naman makikita sa sarili, di ba? Aura-aura lang kasi yan. So, okay. So, moving forward, I decided my team to fight. To fight with me. To fight together with me. The rank of Team Elite Pavo. And you know, we were able to hit that rank in 3 months straight. And that was pandemic days. Paano ako lumabas? It was my drive and it was my passion. Driving me to get outside the house to reach people who needs the product. Yun ang drive ko that time. I was not afraid of COVID because I myself had proven how effective Pure Tier is. Yes! So I became a Team Elite Pavo in 2021. And my dream did not stop there. I was exposed with events through Zoom meetings. Because, di ba, seldom na pwede tayong mag-gather like this before. So what happened? Since I was already exposed with meetings, in-apply ko yun slowly by slowly. How I started actually, wala akong pera. If every one of us here is having a hard time how to start your business, it's not really a problem. It's just in your mind kung paano mo didiskartehan yan. How I started? Simple. I do not have funds to gather people and bring them into a hotel or function rooms that time. It's not a problem. Why? What I did, gumagamit kami ng free na mga venues. What are those? Yun po yung sa barangay, di ba? Okay, magbabayad ka lang ng 200 pesos for the electric na gagamitin mo. And we survive. I do not have projector because I cannot afford that time. And it's no problem with that. What I did, I borrowed TV from a friend. I cannot afford that time to buy a very good laptop. Still, I borrowed from a friend. And no money to provide food, hotel, venues. But it's no problem. Why? I made my own sandwiches and brought to the OPP water and juices. And I survived. So see, para po sa mga bago and to those guests na gustong magtanong-tanong pa and very doubtful how to start business in Riway, huwag niyo munang problemahin yan. You embrace it, you feel it, you act, and you lead. 2021, that time, I became a Team Elite Pavo, and I did not stop. Because one of my teammates, my downline, my sponsor, fight for a Team Elite Pegasus that time. And I told myself, grabe no, how to survive that fight? Because I was looking in my portal, and even if he was only one leader who was fighting, I was earning that time. And you know, I was an employee, right? Being an employee, I always receive at least 20,000 per month. Well, because of medrep ako, I still have other income like commission. Commission na umaabot, of course, ng 50,000. But, you know, if you have kids and you send them to school, a very good school, kulang pa po yan. Right? So, sabi ko, my God, I was receiving this much. And iisa lang yung tao na nagfa-fight. How you say it in Tagalog? Merong funds na nakikita ko every single day. And it's so huge. Sabi ko that time. So I was amazed. Paano maging Pegasus? That time. So since nagtsatsaga po akong mag-events on my own that time, kasi yung kita ko, hindi ko po binubulsa. I did not even bother to buy my own car. To tell you honestly. Because I know that my income should go back to my team. Yeah. Huwag niyo munang isipin ang mga sarili niyo, I tell you. If you want to become successful here in Riway, yung income nyo, ibalot niyo sa grupo. Even today, ganon po ang practice, ang culture ng team ko.
Yes.
These people in front are my people. May mga negosyante, mayayaman, yes, meron. May doctors, yes, meron. Ordinary people, yes, meron po sa team. And to tell you honestly, I have, inside my team, I have 9 elites under me. Totoo po yan. It's not easy to build a team. It is so difficult. It is so tough. It is so hard. But you know, if you have the mind that do not give up and do not quit, in whatever it takes, you should be leading your team. And that is one of my ingredients. How I become a Team Supreme Pegasus 1. You see, I still have this condition. Ako nga I am, like, ang galing naman ng mga tao, no? They are all perfect. Ako, I traveled from Cagayan de Oro early this morning, and I reached here, pero wala pa akong, kumbaga, hindi pa ako natutulog. But still, it's okay, because I understand my responsibility.
Galing.
Yes, you should do like that. And it's really, it's not easy. You have to invest your time, invest your money, and invest for your team to grow. So you see, naging Pegasus po kami. Under my team, we are all 9 elites in the team. Wala pong office ang Riway Cagayan de Oro before. But paano namin nagawa yun? We do not have business development to guide us. But we did it. Kayo nga andito kayo sa Manila. Meron kayong ganito, marami kayong business development. I was that insignificant that time. Pero na-notice po ng management, na-notice po ng company na I was doing full-time and in the right way for Riway. So ngayon, nakikita ko, oh my gosh, I am a Team Supreme Pegasus 1, but I do not want to stop there. I still see myself ranking up. And I'm seeing the group, my team, that one day, these people will also become Pegasuses. It doesn't matter how many of your people that you consider your people. It is not the quantity of people. Paramihan, no. It's the quality of people that you have to have in your team. Even today, may slot ako for my OPP in Cagayan de Oro City. Kahit 10 lang kami, kahit 15 lang kami, the OPP will run. Kahit walang nag-iisa lang yung guest, okay lang yan. No problem with that. Because I know, one day, lahat ng mga tao inside the team will be responsible and will be duplicating what I'm doing.
Yes!
So, it's not a problem actually if you encounter problems because you have to look for a solution. Kasi yung iba, pag nagkakaproblema na wala na, may price slashing dyan, di na kami makabenta. You look for a way. Look for a solution. Do not be stuck up on that problem kasi hindi ka mag-move forward. Yes.
Tama.
Wala Ganon ang labanan. And you have to stand and be still and work with your team. Kasi kung ikaw si leader, nakikita ka nila na defeated ka. Anong mangyayari sa mga leaders ko? Mahahawa yan. Defeated po rin yung mga itsura niyan. Hindi na rin yung magtatrabaho. So kita ng mga leaders, tayo ng mga leaders, we have to be strong.
Correct.
We have to fight for our team. We have to fight for River Philippines. And you know, I just wanted to borrow a quote from a known author. Mas-struck talaga ako dito, and I'm super hit actually. I just wanted to share this to you before ending my sharing, no? And it says, just bear with me, ha? Kasi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
fan ka talaga si sir. Okay. So, it goes like this. Even if you fail tomorrow, and you got 5 in your performance, you are still a 10.
Yes.
Remember that.
Tama.
Now, to continue. Even if you're 5 with your performance again, remember you are a 10. Because that is not your value as a human being. Because if you think like a 10, you will feel like a 10. You will act like a 10. You will serve like a 10. You will lead like a 10.
Tama.
And if you fail again tomorrow, and you got 5 performance, it's okay. Because you are still a 10. And if you wake up the next day, and you got another 5 performance, do not regret, because you are still a 10. And to continue, that is your power. That is your power, being a 10. And do you know the real power of a 10? The real power of a leader? It is when others treat you 5 and you treat them back 10. That's a leadership by example. When they look at you,
Ang ganda naman.
they look up to you because they want to be like you. This is all about my sharing. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone.